Next in Java, we are going to do interface. So we have seen single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Now it is interface which supports multiple inheritance. We cannot achieve directly. We cannot achieve multiple inheritance directly. We can achieve it with the help of interface. So here I'm creating one package and naming this package as demo 9. So this is our package, and within this package I'm creating one class and I'm naming this class as main 4, and this class is going to be our main class. So this is our package and this is our main class. Now the way to create class we use class keyword, and to create interface we are going to use interface keyword. So we have written this interface keyword. Now we have to give interface name. I'm giving it a name iFace 1. This is the name of our interface. Now by default, all the variables inside interface are public, static and final. Even if we are not putting these keywords before it, they are final. So if I put integer I, we cannot do it like this. This is a final variable, so we need to declare it here only. Initialize final variable I at declaration. So we have to initialize it with a value. So I'm putting 11 into this variable. By default, this variable is public, static and final. Second thing is that all the methods inside interface are abstract methods. So we cannot give definition to these methods inside interface. So here I'm saying public void and name of the method is show. We cannot give definition to this method as it is by default abstract. It is also public and public. Now to give definition to this method, we have to create a class. So I'm creating a class. Name of this class I'm giving is 1. Now, one class can extend another class, but this is not a class, this is an interface. To give definition to use this interface, we have to use implement keyword. So now this class 1 implements, name of that interface is iFace3. Now this class is implementing this interface. This is not iFace3, iFace1. So we need to give definition to this class. It is saying that add all the unimplemented method of iFace1. So here we have to give definition of show public void show. And here I'm saying system dot out dot print ln, and here we can put initialize. You can print the value of this I. Value of I equals to, this is going to print the value of I as 11. This class 1 method. This is class 1. Here we have created only one method. If we create one more method, public void. This method is also abstract, so we need to define this method here in this class. Display, and here we are giving definition. Method. Now we need to create object of this class. We cannot create object of this interface because this interface, simple thing is that we cannot create object of interface. Second thing is that this interface is containing this abstract method. The way we cannot create the object of a class which is containing abstract method, same way we cannot create object of interface. So we cannot create object of interface, and this class is implementing this interface, so we can create object of this class 1. So here I'm saying 1, O1. O1 is the object of class 1 equals to new 1. So now O1 is our object. Now we can say O1 dot, our first method is show. We are calling show method, and after that we are calling O1 dot display. Save and build it, run it. So it is giving us an answer, value of I equals to 11, which is this statement. Then it is saying class 1, which is this statement, which belongs to show method of class 1. Then it is showing display method. Display method is this statement it is printing, which also belongs to this class. So with the help of interface, we can achieve multiple inheritance. By default, all the variables declared inside interface are public, static, and final. Methods declared inside interface are abstract and public. One exception is that default method we can define an interface, which we'll see later. So both of these methods here are abstract, so we are not giving definition to these method in iFace1 interface. To give definition to this method, we have to use class, which implements this interface. A class can extend another class, but it can implement interface. So it has implemented this iFace1 interface. Now it can give, this class can give definition to this abstract method show and this abstract method display. Here within this main class, we can create object of this class. We can never create object of interface. Now O1 is the object of this class. With the help of this O1, we are calling the show method, which belongs to this class 1, and O1.display, which belongs to this one class. And here it has given us the value of I equals to 11, class 1, and display method of class 1.